loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be doing some do-it-yourself gel nails at home, and the products that I will be featuring today are Nail Addict Gel Nail Polishes. And the reason I wanted to feature this brand specifically is because it is vegan, cruelty-free, and it has a 9-free formula, which basically means it excludes 9 super toxic ingredients. And if you guys know me, you know that I love incorporating vegan and clean products just into my beauty routine and regimens. So I'm super excited to use this, and it also comes with a mini UV/LED lamp. But yeah, we're gonna jump on into everything. If you are not yet a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you're notified every time your girl posts a new video. And yeah, this is pretty much gonna be a first impressions / tutorial. And the colors that I chose are just super vibrant and they pop, you guys. They're perfect for spring and summer. So without further ado, let's just hop on into this video, shall we? Alrighty, so I got 6 nail polishes along with a base, top coat, and remover. Now if you guys are interested, my discount code is THATISKEY for 50% off of your order, so don't forget to use that if you decide to make a purchase. The peel off is their base coat, and it's formulated to moisturize, strengthen, and protect the nails. The no wipe top is their top coat, which I was really impressed with. The shine is incredible. And then I got the remover, which is pretty self-explanatory, but I haven't got a chance to use it quite yet. As you will see, I selected 6 nail polishes, and my first observations were that the colors were so pigmented, bold, and bright, and the consistency was very creamy and thick in a good way. A little goes a long way. You'll also notice that the labels state Nail Addict, but they now refer themselves to Nail Reserve. So the brand name is different, but the name of the nail polish shades remain the same. So no need to worry, I will put all of the names of the shades that I'm showing you guys in this video in the description box below if you are interested. As you can see, I chose a combination of some neutral shades along with really bold, bright colors that I think would be perfect for the springtime and summer. And for this tutorial, I will be using the shade Aquablue. And then I also got their mini UV/LED lamp. It comes with a USB cord that you can plug into your computer or an outlet, and what I love about it is that it is super compact and convenient and mini and just like honestly so adorable. So I was super excited to get this as well to cure my nails. Now first thing you want to do is make sure your nails are super clean. I will put my nail care tutorial in the description box below, but I'm also going to be using some rubbing alcohol to just make sure there's no residue, and then I'm going to go in with the base coat. So the key to a perfect gel manicure is to apply thin coats. So I'm going in with the base coat, applying a thin layer, and then I'm going to cure that underneath the UV lamp. I do want to mention that this automatically shuts off, so I think it's about 30 seconds. I recommend 30 to 45 seconds, but once it shut off, it honestly did its job. So I'm going to do that for my nails, as you can see, and look at that shine already. That is just the base coat. Then we are going to go in with our nail polish, which I mentioned was the Aquablue. Again, very thin layers. This polish is more on the creamy side, so I just wanted to make sure that I had really thin layers and I just build upon that. In my opinion, it is kind of easy for this to get messy if you apply thick coats, so I learned that applying thin coats is the way to go. Once I have one layer of the nail polish on, I will go ahead and cure my nails once again for 30 to 45 seconds under the UV/LED lamp. And once my nails are cured, I will go in again with another layer of nail polish. Use as much as you think is needed, but I would say 2 coats gets the job done. You guys, look at that shine, and I have not yet added the top coat. You just wait. Alright, so now thanks to the YouTube magic, both of our nails are complete, and I'm going to go in with the no wipe top coat. And I gotta say, I was really impressed by this top coat. The formula was really nice, perfect consistency, and the shine was incredible. And by now you guys know the drill. After each layer of polish, I cure my nails for about 30 to 45 seconds. I also want to emphasize that I have not painted my nails in quite some time. I have been a press-on nail girl for a while, and especially when it came to applying this gel polish, it was very new to me, but this is the final product. I tried to keep it as neat as possible. Let me know what you guys think about this color in the comments below. And here is the final product. I am obsessed with this color. I think it's so vibrant and beautiful and looks really good on my skin tone. As far as my first impressions go, I am super happy knowing that this is a vegan and cruelty-free polish. The glide is really nice and smooth. The color is super pigmented and the shine is so beautiful. If you guys want to try this out for yourself, don't forget to use my discount code. That is key for 50% off of your order, minimum of 2 products. So I will put all of that information down below if you guys want to try it out for yourself. I think this is going to save a lot of coin when it comes to the summer, and just, you know, going out and not having to book appointments because you can do this at home. So that is it for today's video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys very shortly in my next video.